Hey guys, it's great to see you guys here in the studio once again, but this is actually the last video here in the studio. Now before you guys go crazy in the comments, let me explain. It might seem like this is the most short-lived creative studio in YouTube history, but about a month ago, I turned my bedroom into a full-time creative studio where I can create tech content, B-roll shots, anything that I needed, as well as an entire laptop desktop workstation. It's been a wild ride. I basically spent the entirety of March turning this room into this full-time studio, and I was really proud of it. I was ready to work. I was ready to pump out content every single day using this studio, and it was really efficient. I loved how productive I was here. I loved how it just made my workflow just super smooth. But for the last 6 years, I've actually been working my butt off to be able to, purchase my dream home. But in this market where I live in Washington, it's just so hard to find the perfect deal when it comes to homes. So you just have to be actively searching. You just have to be actively looking around to find the best home possible. And I want to eventually start a family. So I wanted to get a home that is a great fit for a future family. And after years of searching, I was honestly starting to give up. I didn't think that I was gonna be able to find the perfect home, and I was ready to settle down here. And that is why I decided on building this creative studio in the first place, so I could focus on my passion, focus on things outside of gaming content that I create on the main channel. But right after I built this studio, what do you know? I found the perfect home. So as soon as this studio was complete, I found the home that I wanted, and the home purchase was, the process had begun. So unfortunately, that means this studio is going to have to be taken apart, and you guys are going to be coming along with the teardown. But don't worry, even though I'm taking down the studio, the brand new room that I have allocated for this studio in the new home is absolutely massive. I think it's 3 times the size of this room right here. So I've got plans and I'm really excited. I just have to find a new layout and try to figure it out. So rebuilding my new studio will have to be the next video. But so I just got the keys to my new home yesterday, and I was just thinking to myself that this studio might have been the biggest mistake ever, because now I have 2 desks, all this decor and everything just, already set up, and I just feel like, I just wasted a lot of time, resources, and how I used a bunch of command strips for the wall art. Well, now that's going to waste, The only positive that I can think of coming out of this is that I have all the equipment for the studio now. But it does make me sad, I spent an entire month putting this studio together, and now I feel like I just wasted all this time. Let the teardown process begin. First things first, we got to turn off this flashlight. This is probably the most useful tool that I've bought. The fact that I can have a window shadow backdrop is really cool, but I just had it on this little makeshift tripod. Got all these wall art that can be taken down really easily. I'm so glad I didn't use many command strips for this. So yeah, we're gonna have to take down all of this. The Porsche. One day, if I can afford it, I do want to experience driving a Porsche. Maybe not buy it. I don't know. Porsches are so expensive. Ferraris are so expensive. I mean, it's every guy's dream to be able to, own a supercar or whatever. I'm not a huge car guy, but I can appreciate beautiful things. But okay. I just don't want to damage any of this, because I just got all of these frames and everything. Everything that you guys see in this studio, I mean, you guys saw me get it brand new. We spent a lot of money, and that is why also I'm like, dang, was this house really a good decision? I've been saving up for the last 6 years to find a new home, but also I just spent a lot of money putting this studio together. So I'm like, you know, having a crisis. All right, let's take down another one of these. Dang, we have so many frames. I did not realize I had this many frames around the room. Okay, I just gotta be careful not to rip up the painting or the paint off the wall. Gotta be careful. Especially this lamp right here. I just installed these cable hiders and now I'm gonna have to take them off. I'm pretty sure this is gonna rip up the wall and I'm like so sad because I just installed this perfectly, seamlessly. We got the remote right here too. Now I have to take this off and then reinstall this again. It's not gonna look seamless anymore. Yeah, the regret is setting in and yeah, well, anyways, we've got to take down every single part of this setup. It's gonna be a slow process for sure, but all of this is going to the new house. Don't know if you guys could see what I was doing, but look, I have to like fit everything in a specific like orientation. So I've got the speakers over here. I just gotta make sure nothing gets damaged, because if it does, I'm gonna get so sad. That was my goal in the first place, to make a setup as mobile as possible. So yeah, we've got a lot more to do. The desks will come later. I'm gonna take apart this shelf and we should be good. Oh right, the lamp. Oh my gosh. This is probably gonna be the most annoying part. Like taking it off is gonna be easy because it's just on a nail, but it's this stuff right here. 1 month later, this entire wall is back to blank again. It's like the studio was never here in the first place. I have all the decorations and, you know, all that over there, but you guys see this? It's as if nothing was here in the first place. I think I'm gonna keep the cable hiders there because I don't want to damage the walls. Because I just know if I try to rip it off, it's gonna mess up the wall like this. That definitely needs to be repaired, but I think I'm just gonna keep these wall hiders right there, these cable hiders on the wall. But tomorrow, we're gonna be taking all of these desks and bringing it to the new house. And eventually we're gonna be rebuilding the studio, so that's gonna be a separate video. So when that comes out, I hope you guys support it. But yeah, all that's left is the light, the Amaran Verge Max light right there. My this one right here, this overhead C-stand can be taken off really easily. So yeah, I mean, everything is pretty much good to go to the new house. Just got to bring it over. So yeah. Oh, and also this shelf right here. I don't know if I'll take it apart and bring it to the new house. Actually, it should be easy because it's like separated in segments. So I might just do that so it doesn't get damaged. Bring that over to the new house. I've had this set up for about 2.5 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, and now I'm taking it apart. Here's the 4K monitor. I'm still trying to take it in, to be honest, because it feels like everything happened so quickly. I do need to move this PC over so that I can actually start uploading videos and stuff again, because it feels weird not being able to work with no internet.